bad guy.
He's killing him. Time out. Fall on the roof.
You're so silly. Hey, Jackie, what do we have here for the kids today? What is it?
A shark.
We've got a shark sub capture from the Transformers Rescue Bots. Who is the Transformer? Do you remember his name?
What?
It's Blades. And who's that? Who's the bad guy?
Dr. Morocco.
Dr. Morocco. That's right. So let's just take a quick look at this. Look, we're going to have this submarine, the bad guy submarine that Dr. Morocco goes in. And there's Blades, the helicopter rescue bot. Hey, Jackie, are you ready to open this? Let's do it. Oh, no. Are there twisty ties? Lots of them.
And we need to get you got the fan out! Why do you get the fan out?
The fin. It's got like a little fan on it.
That moves them through the water?
It's Dr. Morocco.
Look what I made.
Why is he Dr. Morocco? I don't know.
I made, look for Legos. They're Legos. They are Legos.
Oh, the twisty ties. No.
Should eat them.
There it goes.
And that shark. You got Dr. Morocco. Does he stand? He stands.
Yeah, we're going to look at him again in just a minute. Okay, it's the shark submarine. Look, it's got a moving mouth. All right, you check it out.
Can its mouth go by itself?
You have to press that button. And look, here comes Blades.
Does he transform?
No, he can move his arms, and he's got this hook. What color is his hook?
Yellow.
You are so silly. Jack knows it's not yellow. What color is his head?
Orange.
Okay, you told the truth this time. Look at him. He is a helicopter, and there is his helicopter Blades, but you know what? He doesn't actually transform, so that's a little disappointing. Not all of these toys transform. Jack, what are you doing?
I'm eating his food.
Yeah, so we haven't put the fins on. Those green things are the fins, but apparently the shark is so hungry, it wants to eat them now. Let's try and snap them in. It's not so easy.
Not so easy.
There's one.
Look, his tail moves.
Oh yeah.
How do we move him through the water?
Well, let's find out.
He has those. And he has tracks. That helps him to move through the water. He can fly when he can fly up in the sky when he puts a button that
I think that he can go in water and on land. Jack, what are we gonna do? What's this? Oh, it's a gross salmon treat. The shark is eating it. The shark is eating it.
He ate them.
Oh, is he gonna spit that salmon out? Oh, that's so gross. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Molly, get it. Hold it still.
He didn't eat it all up.
Molly, was that delicious?
I'm dropping them in the bay.
What are you doing, Jack?
Dropping them
Dropping them where?
into the bay.
Oh.
Into the beach. His legs don't sit.
Yeah, they're not very bendy. You just have to sit them down in there.
And where's the roof? Where's the roof?
It doesn't have a roof.
I thought it had.
Not the most realistic submarine. Maybe when they're underwater, he has to wear scuba gear. Or it's invisible.
It's invisible.
Well, the characters don't bend very much, but Jack, can you move the mouth? Press the mouth button. Yeah, so at least the coolest part moves.
Let's do it again.
Another doggy treat?
No, he has a doggy cookie.
Oh.
Doggy. This is the doggy.
The doggy's ready for her cookie. Oh.
He ate it out.
It fell into the trench. Alright, let's take a closer look at Dr. Morocco in the sub. Pretty cool. You can see his tracks and propellers.
No, he can fly.
A flying shark.
Give me more dog food.
More dog food?
Get that.
What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? You can eat only one piece. He's gonna eat it out of it.
Well, you better call Molly over.
Molly! He ate it!
Yay! There it goes.
It fell into the fridge.
Okay, last one, Jackie. We don't want Molly to get too full. You better call Molly.
Molly! 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 Over here. Go into the moon.
Uh-oh.
The last one.
Hey, Jack, what do you have now?
All the rescue bots are transforming.
Oh, we have some transforming rescue bots.
And then,
What kind of sound does Optimus make when you transform him?
he's gonna fall.
Oh, there he is.
For salvage.
I think you've got your hand on him. Is he transforming?
He's bigger.
He's bigger?
And he's smaller. And
Yeah.
he's smaller.
And who's really big? Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. Whoa, who's that? Is that Chase?
No?
Yeah, that's Chase the police car Autobot, rescue bot. Rah, rah, I'm the bad guy. Rah. Oh no, Optimus, are you gonna put up with that? Optimus.
Transform! Jen, the leader of the Autobots are transforming. No, he stood. Oh, again! Knock him out!
Whoa.
He's carrying the timeout.
Oh, no, Dr. Morocco. Crash. Is Dr. Morocco in timeout?
Yeah.
Was he a naughty boy?
Yeah.
So naughty.
He's really big in his run. Oh no! There's a fire on the Lodge's leg.
No idea what you just said, but besides fire.
And then there's some And he has a grabber. He has a fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher on his back.
He has a fire extinguisher on his back? He's gonna help put out the fire?
You can walk on Optimus Prime. Then Chase, you too. You don't transform. You don't transform.
It's not Chase, that's the chopper, that's Blades.
Why are they not standing?
Well, it's not a very good surface.
Where is it?
Crash.
You can do it on here?
There.
Or that we do stand him?
Oh, I remember his name. It's High Tide. Yeah, that's High Tide.
He can move his legs a little bit.
Yeah, off camera we were having a hard time remembering his name. And that's Blades. He's got a big hook.
Let's carry him to the fire.
Let's do that.
You lost your older and you read.
Jack, what is Wally doing here? He's friends with the rescue bots?
Okay.
It's some Energon cube garbage. That's what they eat, Jack.
That's what Wally eats?
Well, that's what the Transformers, the rescue bots, eat.
He eats this?
Yeah, it's an Energon garbage cube.
No, it's not.
Oh, the shark made it out of timeout. What's he doing, Jack? What's he doing, Jack?
Eating Wally's garbage cube.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
What?
Look, we got Optimus's trailer out.
And he has those on. Let's knock them off.
Crash. Oh my goodness, Dr. Morocco thinks this is just too crazy around here. He wants to get out of here. Maybe he wants to go back to timeout.
Get him in jail. This guy's getting them. He's throwing them in timeout.
He's using his claw. Dump. Hey Jack and Optimus, is it time to say goodbye to the kids?
No.
No. Yeah, it is.
No. Optimus said no.
He says, no, bye-bye, kids. Don't subscribe for more videos if you like JackJackPlays. And don't give us a thumbs up. Just kidding. Do all of those things. Bye-bye. No, that's not screaming. Just bye. That's the best Jack was going to do in saying goodbye. Bye, everybody. Bye, Optimus. Bye.